this is the book for you. It's got everything in that you need to know, and it will help you massively.
Tim says, it has everything you need. Who is Tim? Well, Tim is a former head teacher of a school in the UK with many years of experience, and he is an active community leader who loves people and wants the best for everyone. And why is Tim saying, it has everything you need to know about helping your loved ones to learn to drive? Well, after seeing the book thoroughly, he is fully convinced of what he is saying about this powerful resource. So, listen to Tim a bit more as a father and as an experienced driver about what he is saying about this fantastic resource.
Hi, my name's Tim, and I just want to endorse this really. So a comprehensive guide if you are a driving instructor, if you are a parent. I'm a parent myself with a child who's just about to learn to drive, and the thought of them getting into a car with me is really scary. But this book just talks through everything that you need to know to be able to go on that journey together. So I want to endorse this. Whoever you are, if you're teaching someone to drive, this is the book for you. It's got everything in that you need to know, and it will help you massively. So buy it now.
This unparalleled and wonderful resource is first and foremost for learner drivers, as they can review their previous lesson to reinforce the knowledge and go well prepared for higher quality lessons with their driving instructor. Want to know more before you decide to have this incredible resource? Watch the next 1 minute and 35 seconds video about how his resource could also save you a significant amount of time and money while training to become a safe, skilled, and confident driver. Supervising a learner driver. How often, family members and friends of a learner driver find themselves helpless and not very effective when it comes to help their loved ones with driving practice? Effective Driving Lessons in Practice is a resource and a manual that lays out and explains the 12 professional techniques and approaches used by driving instructors and the driving industry in the UK and the EU. Now the family members and friends of a learner driver worldwide can learn the same simple techniques and approaches to help their loved ones effectively and with the confidence that they lack generally. Using the same familiar techniques and approaches as their driving instructor, family members and friends can put the learner driver at ease. It will also strengthen the whole process and result in a swift progression, and consequently, will save a lot of time and money as well. This unique resource is specially created not only to equip the family members and friends who want to supervise, but is also effective for the learner drivers as well as for the driving instructors in the UK and around the world, as it has 40+ driving subjects. Each important bit of information is given in bite-sized boxes or paragraphs, which makes it very clear and easy to find any specific piece of information on each lesson, such as learning objectives, step-by-step guides and key briefing points, common mistakes and risks to be aware of, and practical and helpful tips. Reflective questions to ask the learner driver, colorful and clear pictures and illustrations created by the author, and much more. Get the most out of your driving lessons with your driving instructor with the help of this powerful resource. Go to www.assistthelearnerdriver.co.uk and buy it now and start saving time and money.
So buy it now. So buy it now. So buy it now.